Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Romeo is a dead man game not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, crashing or other issues on Xbox. So let's go through the methods. First method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click on it to begin the updating process. Next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, now select settings, then select network settings. After that, click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next solution is to perform power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Romeo is a dead man update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated, because the developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check for an update option, and after updating the game, launch it and check if it's working. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. Open settings and click on device and connections. Now click on Blu-ray. Here select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next solution is to clear cache of the game. So for that, press Xbox guide. Now click on my games and apps, then tap on see all. Here search for Romeo is a dead man game, then press menu. Now choose manage game and add-ons, then tap on save data and click on reserved space. Finally tap on clear reserved space. Next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account, then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove, then select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system. Click on settings, click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to reinstall Romeo is a dead man game. For that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and select see all. Here select Romeo is a dead man game, then press menu button and then select uninstall. Now after the game is removed, open the game's official website and download the game and then check if you can play it. If not, then the final solution is to contact support. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.